on Sunday, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV, I'm on Sunday, Yana Edimu. Kumawood TV, Abba, I'm on Sunday, Yana Edimu. Kumawood TV, Abba, I'm on Sunday, Yana Edimu. Sini Papa Ben, I will pay be a shy. I'm on Sunday, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV, I'm on Sunday, Yana Edimu. Kumawood TV, Abba, I'm on Sunday, Yana Edimu. Kumawood TV, Abba, I'm on Sunday, Yana Edimu. Sini Papa Ben, I will pay be a shy. I'm on Sunday, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV, I'm on Sunday, Yana Edimu. Kumawood TV, Abba, I'm on Sunday, Yana Edimu. Kumawood TV, Abba, I'm on Sunday, Yana Edimu. Sini Papa Ben, I will pay be a shy. I'm on Sunday, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV, I'm on Sunday, Yana Edimu. Kumawood TV, Abba.
Right, it is 23rd day in the month of March 2021. Radiadom, and then so at Alfra Tradian Pon, Adaroma, or the Achayene. Dabrada, of course, 23rd day in T. Na Iguso, and we say, and Reno Ayaswano, I beg my first I say complaining say a check then check na was soon in Yami Aduma na et me aso yatra say aha Kumawood TV you no sinupi obetimi ahwe Facebook Kumawood TV so na ko YouTube so Kumawood TV me din the Michael Nana Aduma kon obefrem me say Mike nei nsam ho ebenyamre na yetimi adin komo my Ghana nsam ahodo a course from education to health environment and what have you politics ni na no ebenyamre na yetumi adi nkomo wodum say enra na international water day and then so international meteorological day enti kwan fa so say nso beto nso to wiemu betum awiambo ene wi asina de si wo say yemfa enkai sada no the question and say yana say upia bonten wo so na pa na upia do you take those things into consideration? Do you take time to listen to the meteorologist to find out say day never ko say and I say never ko say so beto ana ehun betu eyerebo ana say na ebetumi akoya na wunyamre etumi ehwesa ne ma no eti akwan ana opesa nsem no eti akwan eti ana ene wi asini na yede esiwa yede edi sa edei enti yenu anamo a more meteorological service across the country emu nyina mo any adwuma mo ye etimi ade abo my Ghana amano etimi etumpon ebenyamre na yetimi edi nkomo obra yatna sei nanu fiada yede to wanim se okọ achimota senior high school ayade se emrantie mienu ekopie mu ewo suapon mu a na school mu a na omo eye mrantie a omo ewo dreadlocks se pese ewo mutriso omo akọjọ made machine forms yade amo prospectors omo to nyina de aba omo ko wura school mu fana de ya omo kwame omo hostel or their rooms allocations no and school authorities led by the headmistress catch them of France said Debbie me said mutrino university no a I say mkokoyi because your mom rules and regulations am kan ye no yes keep your head low enti unwi no mungutwa anya sade a mintimi anyemo ha on weekends and a Ghana Education Service and a control the education sector na Minister of Education so no abepe so the directives command the headmistress of Achimota Senior High School say with immediate effect said they are undiscriminating against Nkolano na Nkolano so right omo no e was say mutimi enya equal access to education tino omoden na omo enye saa mofra no enra awofo no e de mofra no eku school mu ho a there was a marathon meeting between the Ghana Education Service, the PTA, and that of the school authorities. Na actually no na nagrat for the Abetuja actually we say they support the decision made by the authorities of Achimota Senior High School. Say emofrano oman kotom deadlocks na dia any kwan say ye omo e school mu ho. And then from there no na authorities no so akosia the omo can say they will never rescind their decision by readmitting those students until some crowd between mutrinwe no ama ye koda enro nwumre no na Ghana Education Service ese oye pani watinta so de gu form ba wasade no tetema afata free say first director omo de ba ye no enye no kre kwa na omo boa mo na kan mo san boa authorities of Achimota Senior High School enkoso a hold on to their decision some of foreign kwan so beba school mu ho abisua de until say omo be decide say omo be kate omo dreadlocks no. And then Nat this afternoon has also released a statement National Association of Teachers, that National Association of Teachers Nat and so some omoka and they say some of rano omo any schools no penifo na ya adwene say the kwase age omo ewo Achimota until say omo be twa dreadlocks no. But before we akasa e de afa ho former Pro-Vice Chancellor Edema UDS Wakasa and then former Director of Education and so Akasa Edia from Winano Ekasa dear school no ni GSA yano emwa Ibenyamre nene yatumi edin kombo public opinion and ama GS aresendo mu decision ni chere mu meki yana na amuteki yana na anase uzu se ehu hia se eni kwata mafare mo dreadlocks no ekoho. What does the Constitution of Ghana says about such students and I say such individuals, such people? Constitution no Article 34 and the keka no e ka saying say obi a ho kwan e woni summu obi a ho kwan e woni die mu, and those regulations and rules no, where did we drew it from? You draw free hene the regulations no you take it free hene and it's on my mra kunene say obi a ho kwanya so obesom opede a Ibenyamre near the home enkomo public opinion and so don't want to say because I am school more. But the point is that akola wanya aggregate 6 ultra BC yehuye ye man chere ye in deny no all secondary school there you say when you go to Rome do what Romans do enti aggregate 6 ni no wanya Achimota you see the thing into ontimi enko opede a ontwantumu. In the same institution we have those who are not from the country, they are from outside the country. We have the evidence and we show you pictures of those students are almost 3 years no Ghana for 3 years so are they also not in Rome, and why are not doing what Romans do once they are in Rome? What does the dreadlocks na nkola no wo no sa person go 3 years so no effect ban e benya school ne so effect ban e benya adisuane so then effect ban e benya nkola woni omo kwa kwatena bomu e classroom no eso enti sabi ugbe ko school no atwa sakola de ono no entwa sakola no ba no besua sa nkrofo no ana, because that is an issue of public opinion man for ka and now man for nkola bi ka betimi aye rastes. The point is that obana oko school no obi atwa sakola no ho to obana so ko ba ko twa sakola na. That's the issue. Morally, no, akola no ba akokra de you say he was a school prefect and he was given a citation as the best student, disciplined student in the school. Again, what is the psychological effect we, all of us, including myself, sitting here, giving to this student? Nkolano, adeba na ye ka kire omo. Oko hospital, and a rasta man be. Medical doctor no hwe wa kabaka do man hwe wa na enyambia o fro bus abekumase o kwatakrade de otwi bus no o rasta man na o mfra na emra na seden ebenyamre na yatumi adi nkomo and emra so aso se bia ye school so ahodo mu no ene bi omu a esesa no ana eni ono mo yan kramofo omoko SDA school no any other schools no bu a okwa yama okwan e ma unwu veil. But the point is that the school no ko prepper and as omoko service a obeko bi. Are these Rasta men saying that they will not be part of Achimota services ana? Are they saying that they will not follow the school rules and regulations as every student follows ana? Let's be a bit way and then let's open the discussion wider, and that is what I want you and I to do this afternoon. That's not say na yenyamre esinupi say yemma abofra no say that obey woman penin, obey minister of state, obey teacher ni, obey journalist, obey doctor. Ne person no yenka say ema so ana na all students am watch motor senior high school mu say emrofoma wo a omutrinyu guso. Have you spoken against that one? Minister bi ba ode ne kwa Achimota na head locks are and would the headmaster be bold enough to say onye na na ebi ane ne de wo ya ka bi uka bi sa but yemu say ho say kola ne ka say omo kwa kosom as was affairs wo school mu ho ana omo so kwa kosua de e wo school mu ho. This and many questions and ya tana say benyamre na ya di ho enkomo. The program is Sinupi channel so say other issues so e wa benyamre na and also yetumi edi ho enkomo enei na the National Democratic Congress among you no NDC could be a form of cadres for accountability leadership and then waboko jan demonstrate the placards ekuta homo yomo kan na say party no and John Dramani Mahama ne dia mazo say party no party num enti yomo hunu say afibu abai hokoto ye last year na NDC group edin kugu no John Dramani Mahama ka ho bi enti cadres for accountability leadership for no say omo mreketu bi Mahama Marabonting na onfa collated results of December 7th elections no onfa mre omo na ode bre omo na omo sakan wi a omo ankasa no omo enim de ombeka anya saade a John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency former President of the Republic, leader of the NDC omo ne no any NDC leadership no e will be eka ebenyamre na etumi edi ho enkomo. Economics Intelligence Unit Echanitia ekani EIU omo international organization omo various research especially when it comes to governance and politics. Omo ye bia predict Ghana elections this time round. They have predicted NDC winning 2024 elections if and only if they can change John Dramani Mahama. Tienye omo say omo ehunu say 3 months after elections no omo hwemu kire omo say of which for me I don't, it's not that they are predicting for NDC in that no money. It is too early for any Ghanaian to decide say about the next 2024 elections I will vote here or there. I believe you agree with me. Now the omoka and they say October 2024 NDC bedding kunim say almost John Dramani Mahama ama NDC leadership no no I say cassette I said Debbie and kunim they know say they will win but they are not going to change John Dramani Mahama as the flag bearer of the NDC come 2024 and also on komo ewa ha ebenyamre na afi yetumi edi and so ewa ha only say the NPP national executives as I say omoko national tour across the country now omo he dey na ba ya mutumi di nkugu emu oten ewo parliamentary elections no and what can they do to ensure say ombetumi breaking the 8-year chain no and agin na abeto ho no eno hon komo benyamre na yetumi edi na cautionar the national chairman for the NPP Wilfred Blake e dey ama manyuko ne ma ene say omo support John Dram Alancho Koyo Chamanten Baumia Akoto and Kono omo enya hweye ena omo no antra amo ha bi ankwankoba. And again NPP say afi in appointing anybody obey DC MC sankrofoni na no omo hwe ni mu say omo ebeye nhwemu a ewo fom for the bekasa ye pa ansana omo atue yi sankrofo no am be dem anyuko no anima no so ehon sem ewo ha ebenyamre na yetumi adi sam de dos no do no ano ejina Rastafarians ene ehon enkomo eso Ghana Education Service na afi de keka ho na ya hwe ya accounts medin e de sema ga ha Kumawood TV na ene mi take eye teacher unions are more on my Ghana. At times I foresee say enema hu hia na mo contribute unnecessary the hu hia no na teacher unions no they make contributions, press conferences here and there, want your voice to be heard. Last 2 years 2019 na naka any curriculum developers any GS beka say almost a basic school curriculum the answers are they were able to succeed, and then coming into 2020 academic year na Ghana for you say there is a curriculum no, but for the first month a couple say somewhere 12th of March one penny 2 schools mono na teacher for no enya textbooks on be issue na omu enya syllabus, and again na nkola na nkrata on be issue on be hwema ede asua de kra na omonsa enkan. God being so good or bad omen, we had what we called lockdown and then COVID-19. With all this period ebesi me no ka say teacher for a child basic schools ensa enka approved books are omu enya ede free GS and answer naka ho ede a chen kola na de again yen kola omu basic schools no me no ka say omu enya books are omu eyusu, and I'm challenging the NAT and NAGRAT unnecessary issues no commenting on no, that they should comment on this thing. This is affecting the children directly. Teachers at basic schools are complaining. Why the money was a teacher for no corner, Momuka for no Musia or Motian Coladiano, and Crata also Mosaka free about Monsankai. You are not aware. Public schools no, and Crata was Sankai, you are not aware. But this unnecessary issue, Akola when you 6 or secondary school, you know, you are able to organize a full press conference to say that you back the school. And Asamba Akua Nagrat President Angel Kabunukaya within 1 year pan and say Adana Rastafarians I want to school. My ferry man, Papa no. Whoever knows him, I'm part of Nagrat. And whoever knows that man should tell that man say it's a disgrace to the teacher union. For him to say Rastafarians no enter a school. Is it a crime? Sakura so bad we put it dreadlocks and if you have any good advice, just convince the parents to cut those dreadlocks. And I don't know, but this is among kwatu school. Oman to school noa. Momo Nagrat say atimota for no GS for momo tin kola noa. You back the teachers to demonstrate against GS. Were you posted to the school to teach or to decide who should be in the school? Are we not in this country where we have a lot of Nkola Omonyem classroom? Is it part of the school rules and regulations? Nkola Omonyem from 1st month to 9th month, not the classroom. Is it part of the school regulations? Are they not there? Why don't you sack them? Well, that's my thought. That's my take. Maybe I also warden channel different from me, no. But Nkola Omonyem is their right to learn. You are calling on local school, they say, no, we need right, no, so because or dreadlocks. And the teacher union are always so no. You are going to say, says Abana, what teachers are demonstrate against Abano. What will it happen? I mean, good things not there. What will happen? You try Omra, Yaba, Jake Azantilo, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member of the NDC, of course, leading member of the party, or Sanso, and Ernest Kwekwechi, a special assistant to the member of parliament for Menchia North and second vice chairman for the NPP. Onoso Benyamre na yetumi eti enkomo. Yebasisia.
And yaro do ben and ajini peduano aboso. Yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadum watu wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo. Me kanfo tahid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo. Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho. Yene kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so. Eboa siesie ni peduano ni titiw edema emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie. Sa wono Madam Katri tonica eboa ema woni peduano enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichi konso aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de ba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di padwie ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Catherine Clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne yewo Madam Catherine Clinic yarwe nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu ba from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra
adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da edwo da ebanada okuoda yawada efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma fe na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom wasa gulu an kasa nkra no wasa twi gulu ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nso ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be hu na say abaye mremremre okay a wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena suko na o haw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well all pia obusa ise ifrimu why the den it be slower we na fa kokko we na se dia wa wonu tua wo fa ni se no mo ye den ma me di we we na no we na mfa nkonkoye tigma na ma no why slower
ebusa yenko Kumase
mko Kumase
oh,
it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy, Minia, or Brapon to Yao. Seven and my uncle and Yasha Dayon. Your penny, mammy, 7 ram a padak, Master Camera. Nammy, Chini, someone that's why. What she made we need problem cry. Who made this some free to buy better Ghana? And I'm in a confidential. What one and one said to me, tell you the problem. So, I will bring them in the capre or do open a time with Wall Street casket shop. I will massy labor hire. Me call one man. I know what's me yes, can't say you. You would have been Chawano. Missy Kaya, the man is a new hammer. I saw a bit yes, me ambulance. No, Miss Ampedi, everybody done and come. Ambulance, and you have done only ambulance service into any problem cry. And now, the year is openness to take a club with the atmosphere. Do not say Kumasi stay by Promo. You couldn't put it out. Some Postman casket shop here. You will not come every day. To send the movie now. Postman casket shop, you will Kumasi in front of Newtown. You didn't labor office in the bank. Postman casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood
Training Institute. Say dear, ye nimu na ye ko. Ya sanso ade new programs kra na e de ebremo. March mo ne da etoso aduonu enson 27th March ya. Eye Saturday ebe ya. Ye de eda ba ko pe esi ho. A kire wo eniema wo ya. Ye nkire bi wo ba bia ada. Car tie che. E kire se car koba ye use atwam no. Ade na ye kire wo se na esi ede ye nkonya ede gu ye dem. Ye office, ye restaurants, any ba bia. Ye be sanso a kire mosquito spray. We de eyasam de efie bia ni wa ntuntum nie. Enu ntino ye kire tuntum adura. Wo be spray wo dem a entuntum bia ntimi nka wo. We esase efie bia mu obi free ho ba na obesua saade we. Esanse entuntum edi enya yie pa. Ye be sanso a kire car and motor tracking device installations. Ekwan ya be fo so a wo di machine bi e be show car mu anase wo moto mu na fei ba bia ewo bia no watimi atracking no. Se nipa kura wo betimi di bia hye no ho ba bia onam bia no wo behu ba bia onam. Ye be kire ointment for general body pain. Se o body no e hyehyew anase se honam dodo a ade a wo de be srasra so a e be kokora. Ye be kire stretch marks removal cream. Ye nua ma na stretch marks ayem ho bebre no me pa cho bra fa number na e de screen so no na friends esia na register 0244 294066. Brane besua adura wo de be ye o stretch mask so a ebe kokora e de ama o. Afei so yeguso a ye kire tomato paste ye e na afei so tomato yogurt. Se de sidi entos eye tomato paste ene se ne sidi entos eye tomato yogurt. Afei so ye nuanu akuafo ye da so a efrem se mombra na mombesua se ne si ye weed side adura ye de himura nyina bra ne ye kire kama pa sa ne ma we nyina na nyankopon ya adoma 27th March ya eye Saturday ebe ya ye be kire simple no wo no simple jumadie e baso e wo Kumase ahojo Atenga Junction baby ya Kumawood TV wona anopa no nsia pepepe na fei registration no ye de nyina ahyehyes no nkro pepepe eye 9 am na anonso no ye de training na nkasa ahyehyes acha no 9 ne ye wie ni nyina na fei baby ya wo bia no wasan so akọ we nyina no uwie a ye ma pen drive videos ni nyina ewo so enti wo fi ano se ubo video na se ora fi bibia na wakai ye besan so ma handout no so ya twetwere bibia ewo mu ye be ma lunch ewie aduane a obedie eno so enyina achimbi afei so se wo fra chirichiri na wo ba bia obeda ni nyina so ehyembi ni nyina na obetua eye 300 Ghana cedis per training no eye 250 and pen drive enso eye 50 Ghana tua we ni enkyere sa na ma we nyina fa number na ede screen so no na friends esia ni
right I was saying emu akwaba famra Sinopi live on Kumawood television once again wajen shadow ba de nyamra kan me dey edit say Mike me guest atransi hwani mu say ns kwakwaje nso abekan ho na afi yetumi adi nkomo ne yenkomo no yemienu the prediction by the EIU Economic Intelligence Unit and afi nso no GS and Achimota school case so kraka ho mofra omo ewo dreadlocks na yesi say omo entwa emomo enko school ewo man Ghana especially Achimota school ebenyamre na yetwe de nko for agent bra your opinion might be different from my opinion and might be different from the opinion of the school or it might be the same for agent bra nyamre and can emfa emma on 057 numbers no go screen ani nyamre bit me kan na analyze issues no adwene wo ye pa say yon kofu bu ha bu akwa na ye say ye bre na ya wo no isusa no e no because kwase ye bre nti e kokko gina no ye say e kokko gina no so nti e bia some e ka che nti say bia something dey bi emphas iwan enka ne ti nti ko asa wi ne ti sa ankwala no so no it is wo ko school a say spiritual no but it say headmasters no ne teachers no to me to say the reasons no atasumuti emanamere school mo. What does this thing have to do? You need to tell me how to call out the Akolano Wanyam or why would Miss Odin school because Wanyam and so a teacher for China dear. Other than the young guy say school Murano say Wanyamwa in the class of school. Is that not the same right? And I'm calling you one now. Margin Taban Yamre and Kinkai and from my Jake as Zantilo, a leading member of the NDC. Jacob, Yabakodia. We suit near Kama. We are penny for the. Yeah. You say a Jomus Boko. Now, Keda for Aday.
Mama, did you
I mean, I just. Good. And I say, cadres for accountability, leadership. NDC for accountability. I mean, NDC for.
Yeah, I never see a indicator for accountability. Cadres by indicator for accountability.
Oh, and you are aware of. Wouldn't be your partner.
Your cadres. Our partner by indicator for accountability.
Now, and yet, ABA, cadre for none, be more to most of my activity.
ABA, Santina, make us a and
they are more essay or money more chiam. Especially John Dramani Mahama say, court no. Yes, say, one to me and from results are back. To collect the results no. One more crop was it, John Mahama and Famra and Farma. DBCBC.
We're quite as a NDC.
Ah, they are not NDC members, and I said they are not NDC.
I just saw we are Mama. And now we are Mama practical part from my NDC. It's a me challenge you, we are 10 constituency, and you are not anywhere. I say, NDC ni bia kase your mama fa results are yamela. Oh, just say min kase min person will be a better ass. That kase bia sabi na adini.
Wow.
I mean, results in your mama and so the results.
Almost say Oji all constituencies are ready. Then unprovided collected results.
I didn't make us say, or be our back Casabia. In person will be where's the bias in the because NDC ni bi obebi na no aka say do mama and emfa resource bla no one take politics chairman ni we a politician so I need propaganda no ba cancel ye politician ye resource there enya travel na yeso bla resource
am so what DJ
wa entino me ka say sebi awia si na ye tisisi ano ana ye nyina ne politics ni ye wu ani ya yeso ache enti so ti baby no can win some no person who use your mahama no the kwaje wa die bi o practical part for people and now this set to agenda enye ndi so ye ya buru ho enti ye twen so mo ma ye enti ye twen so afre chinako ye no mu be hia ye no mu be hia for radio TV no ma take constituency so problem
they are demanding from John Dramani Mahama to produce a comprehensive data of internally collated results. If not,
the first place,
they would descend on him.
Okay. So, my campaign, the Ababa primaries. See, I'm moving some movie, I'm better.
Okay, my man, Manaso, na many opening couldn't come up. Daddy, good. I say a friend Manaso.
Senka. Omu yes smart no because yeah about lessons 2024 NDC for year the also to see the 2016 and 2017 for yeah your mama nipa 5 in your contesting when you are 95% and you for the chair the okay and it's nika sen ko mobile with you munya kukudo no mo kase yeah baba no you will be a di ni ba contest your mama come no mu ni asa ba mo mu kase Joe Mahama never results in Milan.
So are you still with Joe Mahama?
Oh, Joe Mahama, that's why I'm not crying. You will be able to ah, you will go to Sudan and fear.
Wamam Baku,
I mean, you will be able to soon. 90% you will go to then fear soon. Bear 1 month. So one tear said, a bit chill as soon.
Mahama must come.
I saw you not doing so bad. You will be able to soon.
So Mahama.
You will be able to sumia. Enter a castle for okay.
Okay, Mamma Manaso, Mamma didn't come up. Ma many national council president at the Rastafari Association of Ghana, Ura Daddy Bosco. Bosco, what even can a more judgment about Kumawood TV? Hello? Bosco, what even can? Okay, I think men take boss kinka minyano a yene no ebedi nkomo ye hwe school for be miensa bi a omo eye Rastafarians na ehun se bebre abeda oman Ghana maima NS kokoja akwaba special aid NS akwaba
ya me Jose Minua
boko de
ya nyame adom na mo nso
nyame adom men sia no fempi ne wote sen
akwasi hu ye pa
okay
so simba men chia mo ma
oden chia sa ne bae
se ise no no ni tua se ise o ma so ayehye so hwe de koko ya 24/7 o so beba na so do boss ni tibia be hu no one cassette me also one cassette me so one to me friend no
just answer the question and let's move on
oh that mean dodgy me so watch ya na so de bi one no
I know be say o say what the ntia say yo answer no is
ana me say me te say bu bere te betia ento kwampa onu one cassette last week oni ni sia ntem ya so one cassette me
ntia no say me pa
I me ntia okay
mon national chairman at the strong war na mamu
okay
say mo amudidi alanche mantene ba omia akoto osei na afi so jogate na mamponi wa ukrum ni adeni mo mochi no
okay
munya very careful
okay
and then as I too early inim say on penda da ko 4 pence so kra no be after 1 year na ma fosa so mu yumuti is it that na na dan for mu no say papa no abre modern bono nso ani ntina ma sha se prem mo sa no ana
yo miki na dase na ma chia wa hwefo
so
na ma chia party mpani for cha mo ntumi na pamfo na national chair executives omo ba ha any party be CI ebiti party ma FM year 2020 abatu ekwamu nsensem ba e ma obi aso kana koma so asem ne ye ntimi anka mo me akutiri e de egu krata so say party kohwem then e be ya watimi wakam esi ye no bibia be ba fam te be da chema wontumi ase say watimi atu sa na mo no e de ama party ma no na ma chia men sha no fa de hye e party ma e wona ba kosi code me chia no na ma chia all council executives police executives e chia o munyina na ma chia be kumu for santini ntin e chia o mu Mickey medase ewo asemo a wokase national chairman eka no na chairman national chairman so ya adwene 100% say nipa bobo mu din nyina omo ye party ma ana omo bia so timi di party ni ma na yeye enti say oye party ni that's what we say nipa so mesi na mpena o say o project nipa no o ka no ho asempa asemo a ebe ma no ho aye akono ma no ho aye fe na se de be ya se ko ba se party ko to aba ne yi na abontenso pon so be gina to e ne to na mo me hu wa ya o se o ko gina candidate bi achi na ko kan ensem ensem mfata e de be fa another candidate ho ana unu de ye ka ye nyina hwe na dan ko akufo ado the next 4 years want me emu amamu papa masa o ko fa nyankopon ba kora na we lose the elections so that me to na say nti do se party e de ni hwe ne say ye di empire bonu ya ho den be boa ye eboa na dan ko akufo ado eni mpanimfu a apanfo apa o mo no no motimi abo abrawo papa asom o mani yi ama o manu mu aye de o manu nkrofo enipa ho to wo mo so ti ase ama ho kire kaka aba fem ama niema a stabilize ama ye eno se be fami ko ko jam ti e kura fo gina metimi awi ni aba no to na me che ona se na emom si ato aba na sebe president ya to aba ma no bonyanya even 4-5 months na afei we nam ha na Mickey the mechanic say sa ni ma we no say ensi o political party mo a na nya political party ayade a esie obi as tries to test waters early no who faith so what I say but I know say as time goes on it will die off na ye so say party mpanifo hu say nia eba no mo party no
okay
so what I say sani ewo kana na dan ko akufo ado obi anim no a track record ane ne modern boy wa bo e wora mamu semu e do timi nkasa na dan ko akufo ado na mamu enye fe na se bi be hu se na dan ko akufo ado no ho modern ti na wo mo yesa
is not the first time nim the SBS dia John Dramani Mahama time me hu sa ade ni bi on penada ko 4 time me hu sa ade ni bi Mills time me hu sa ade ni bi se ya to aba ko second time so ko second time na won ko biu but just within 2 months na amanfo asha se e pre wachi tin enye tumi na mo je fi ni nsem
there be Mickey said oka say bida na esi ba na nti say na man for lobby but MP said the way no akoye no so what you say ana enye say bia obi age to me efininsem but in politics na see be beti be dibo be si first time and say be ato so me tell say and I make can say na esi ni nyina no it's not good we just me tell say enye or say yes a party mpanimfo na hunu say anamontuo bi a enipa bi start to no emoa wo say yeden e twa so officer ye nyina no party mpanimfo no 2 year fo say ye hwe say sa ne ma bi twa so ama o mampanin na pamfo enya asomdua bu man no eyie mbu man yi a ana say ye koto aba na yi obi a enipa kron so be ya kono you
support the cause say omo ye ministers no are more than ambition no nka omo step aside
Mickey say a Carmen Comedia, I will support that.
Okay. And what happens to the vice president?
Vice president or your vice president or your minister. Do you understand? Or your vice president or your minister.
Now we'll take it undue advantage.
And you undue advantage will take it. And you undue advantage will take it. So what I say, and you undue advantage and will take. Then why you already taking due advantage? And then why? And you telling me say time one. Na 2000 ba 2001 no ye the juma no na president suma no ko ye juma no take do advantage ana
no sir the call no if you support me I'm asking because if you support say omo ministers no and support down there
there's difference between ministers and different between vice president.
So whom are you for?
I'm not for anybody. Okay. I'm neutral for now.
Right, I was go so RSNUP. We are live also on Facebook, Kumawood TV, on YouTube Kumawood TV. You go so edin convergence channel nyamre enkenkan emfa emao yenko na yenko nkoti the press conference tiawa nagrat edefa emofra omo atwa pese na achimota eso omo nyi omo yenko timra yeba ebedin komo.
The headmistress and the staff of Achimota did not deny the young man admission. They rather spelled out to the young man the rules and regulations of Achimota Senior High School. We cannot begin this day to start making exemptions for individual students based on their beliefs, based on their culture, based on their tradition, and based on many other issues. That will lead to a chaotic school environment. Because of this, NAGRA disagrees totally with the position of the management of the Ghana Education Service. And we are calling on the Ghana Education Service to redirect the headmistress and the staff of Achimota Senior High School to ensure that the rules and regulation of Achimota Senior High School, and indeed any other senior school, is abided by every student. Let me repeat that we are calling on the Director General and the management of Ghana Education Service to redirect the management of Achimota Senior High School to ensure that the school, the students, and indeed everybody abide by the rules and regulation of the school. We are also calling on parents to know that every school has its own rules and regulation, and they should read the rules and regulations of each school before they allow their children to apply to those schools. Now, people are talking about human rights. Let me inform everybody that human rights is better ensured in an environment. The headmistress and the staff of Achimota did not deny the young man admission. They rather spelled out to the young man the rule.
Right, enti we NAGRAT, National Association of Graduate Teachers, omo president, let me say your president, Angel Kabonu, wakana adwene e dey NAGRAT in there, but I believe that not all members of NAGRAT and no adwene entimin kan camp ma do kan nyina ne se nagrat chafo de omo ene achimota school no ya adwene se mankwara me anyi wo mo anya sa se cha je manfo omugidie mu ba akra no school no ebe sei nti GS enhwe na omo direct school no se omo momonye nkwala no omo ye GS for se ya ne kan ye san ye boa kwala momonye wo mo ehonkomo na yedie Jake me sha se ho emofa ne bone o maye ne se ye wo mo no mutri nyi yida o papa se omugidie no we are grade 6 back from nursery edu SS say yenye no school ho because school no so rules and regulations inti yedne ordinary no ko ha itia the school rules and regulations why do you say so?
Because we are yet discussing the way we can use as a gun in this year. See, and go for years in the near prayer person of Queen. See, a Ghana, a year near Mana. The meaning is a year more, but he can strike and let be some of the decisions. You see, I see here, let you be here, school, yeah, because what you are calling one use square. Seven. This is you are get care of what I said. I need to look away see classroom because I think we are cost for anything American. I think we are cost for him. Aquala, I am natural. I mean, everything. I know what they are doing. I don't know what they are doing. And now, also, school computer class and science. I don't know what Plana could do after the OC. I need to Rastant. Dear Bishop, on chair the dear constitution. Ghana constitution being there soon. Be no better Massamra, and the swatch and your constitution. Say, as to tell constitution into all kind as what the Benny constitution, the Bishop, and the constitution, the better. But it's your Casabiano. And a school no one school meant to mean Ghana constitution. The moment in Susan be a mere best so I check Ghana constitution. I have one in the engine to Tinamaka school now. I come. Yes, Mayan can say a good school to quiet what just certificate. Now send you about me. Headmaster, I have mistress whom leading. Yen and the other grand who cry more. Let me say about bad. I think I'm too. And never win yes and go back. Sabrin Kawakama. Yes, my country, I can't 3 years time. I want to be back on some Saban, who are Cosro, we're Cosro, and Jabai is slow. When you cry the man in back, Cassette is the only one sit up. What to me? What to me? Mr. 2 years in here. 2 years in here. Textbook, I have any say. Textbook, 1 year. When to me, my anchor up here, press conference to the anchor, wait for your leader. When Qualadian and Yapre, why yen tentama free media for the Nabe, and I have a general and our cassette is in here, or Yadiama. We Ghana, one of we all move on your shoe. Dear Ghana, you teacher, you me say, on my textbook, 2 years in it, a yearning quase, we a leader. One timid penny phone come and push him back, which was a pala, said Yankupon, the Dini chair. Just as a way. Was in the GDN. Then some of Musan can call a mistress said, and quiet my son said, Qualano who was school. Ah, and Qualano, we use a colano. Ah, no, we do school in Qualano, which we use a cola. And Qualani is a
Mamma come on, Manasomra, many Greater Accra Regional Secretary Edema Nat, Rapid Abuating, including Congo. Rabbat, whatever kind of joining ready.
Okay.
I think that yeah, I'm sure. Meet you.
And the Americans say, Apalano, Yamiatin, and you just away. And Abu, and I ras. I know what the others was it. We had done it. And Negana. enkwala omu bo life ehye omu ntade echo omu ti bi dia bo adum bi yese no ane akwala bi hwe akwala bi tiri so koye bi ntema ye ka no be ka se ye nim die ye ka ne tra se because you pini that the business the Ghana for ni business abrofo na omo be school ha na omo tiri ni eye tintin ti se mess no ada ti no mu ni si Ghana kwa susi ni se Ghana school no woni bra ada ti ni yankwala no yankwala na omo ko school ho na abrofo ma ko school ho na omo twi omo tiri ni omo chechire no ada ti ni yankwala no ko so abrofo ni ada ti ni yankwala ntin se bo ma omo mfa yi ano se o ba kan se because of that is new discussion
school be our bravo
and
you can't say uko Roma ye the Roman for you but you will be to me for lifestyle be am
be no su chenga na constitution tina me say asem de ye de mra ne ye adwuma ye de constitution ne bu o man enye de obi adwuni ye no ka de obi adwuni ye ni nka nana akufo adon ko ti we ka be so na ma kase me ye Ghana ni me deserve say me person me di president 1 month dem assign na adia man say me ye Ghana ni me you right let me the president into me kwani maka che o man panyin say o man panyin e me sraw me pese wo ma me 1 week na me di president me wi anu asa me di wade e che say me ye ko ensusi 1992 e ma me sa akwa ni ntina me ye Ghana ni me gitum na say it over school na say Ghana 1992 constitution na Ghana ye nyina sha ase when awunya akwala ni de me ye kwala say she da akwala na twa ye preventino who can say me ba na who can say me say nti akwala we use school no your daughter or hospital and now we ayi next we do on na rasta na egu nti no won ti me hwe o ma na hwe o ma ni so o ba woni nyina besua nti bi woni kwan se ye ka who can say bi so wo sin kwala nyam ifo na nti na tu constitution na se enka na bia say akwala anyama pamunu fi o me ba se na nkasa ba na mu wo mra
onye ma na onye mu kwa onka ntimi trans
won timi be school
is onye ma
be dru be bi ni ya ka say yes
ni right
nti me school ni bi am prevent akwala wonyem akwala wa kodi empanyimfo akura onya 18 years tio because mu see we ya akwala bi aku school onya 18 years aso obi na yeso otenetene na akwala onya 18 years oni ba ma akoda anyam anu ni de mu see won ko tuo ne exams no ni mu kwala ni bi kwa mawo
mentwa no ma kira kwala de a wonyem no wo tsana ade no a otimba be ka kiro se nteso gina num de o se okopi guba I'm telling you with this.
Nobody man preventing so many continue.
Why should I do that?
Because yes sir. What tian farm with you so because I am a friend so wonyam. Man tsana ade ni senso de obi nyama obetin tesu. Ade tsana so man kwa. Nti de me kan say.
Okay, my hesiansa can reputable atin wa man so Greater Accra Regional Secretary Edima Nat. Reputable atin what be kan mo adwanwumre. Say oko wankra abanya hwe. Okay. We dey yankoma ayedie enkola me no esuso mo ye Rastafarian sakofa ba from Achimota Senior High School. You say not for so much man watum yentie wada romo mo akasa mo stands pa on this issue anything. Hello. Ura watching Otimenka.
Hello.
Madam Otimenka. Good. Now, people say the SC or Achimota Senior High School concerning 2 students perceived to be Rastafarians. Dreadlocks are so moon chance and one banyas I knew woman. Not for Monso most stands on it and saying. Good.
Officer, maybe kind of the original secretary of 9.
Good.
Okay. But I'm not the PRO of 9. That is our structure.
Okay.
There was national PRO who speaks to issues that have to do with the stance of the organization at a particular time. The honor, I will beg that the union on its own will come out, or the Baba was going through the appropriate channel. My stance now very clear.
Okay.
But the officer said, as the teacher as a parent, as a member of the society, and a union leader in a way that I can share my thoughts.
Okay. Let's hear you from that angle. Say, as a teacher, as an educationist, as a leader, the SCA need be a kind public opinion, GS opinion, and then the opinion of the school. No, also, what didn't you say?
That as if I research what you want to.
Good.
Then I'm going to will find you can say, yes, you mean he can't do more, the mandate of the Ghana Education Service. The Education Act now, Ghana Education Service, the mandate that the kids are not power. And it says, Brony can say they are to provide quality education to the Ghanaian child of school going age. And the mandate now extended from kindergarten, the primary school, JHS, secondary school, technical school, vocational school, special school. That's what we call basic theory level. One of Ghana Education Service, member, that's when you are working. And any form of education provided within this government area from
Hello, Mr. Martin. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I think that online no they are now opposition kakramai. Good.
In the American say Ghana Education Service, don't principles of any manner. But what you say, no Ghanaian child should be discriminated against on grounds of culture, ethnicity, religion, or whatever reason. There shouldn't be any form of discrimination.
And what acting?
Mr.
Martin, Mr. Martin, what are our acting.
Oh, just Google the mandate of the Ghana Education Service.
Good. All right. Okay.
The mandate of the Ghana Education Service. Okay. It calls upon every form of discrimination that will prevent the Ghanaian child of school going age from gaining access to education.
Okay.
In the earlier, among other issues. And there's a honor. The example says, and for that, Ghana Education Service, but they can't say they should admit the voice, but ensure that they go by every rule and regulation in the school. They have the mandate to decide that. Now, not the can't say union leader because once we are Ghana, then we ask them that there should be able to head district, and the school authority, so they better than the Amparano. No headmaster has the right to unilaterally decide on something every day. It's only as someone that the board of government have come out with a statement. I'm saying Ghana Education Service, they are not Parano, they don't be our safety of president. Why not be easy in Ghana?
How much baby? How much baby? Aye.
Placement, computer placement, no Parano, they attack their face, their passport.
Yeah.
During that exercise, they don't see that they were wearing red dots. Why would they push this problem onto the school authority that is the teacher? Well, God, I know, you should ask them something. Yeah, something at the kind of fire come and different. Then, the head can dress code that becomes suitable in any institution, subjective and relative. Subjective in the sense that, whatever what primary private school or Ghana, I don't want daycare and whatever. They will go to the school. And I said that.
Yeah.
I'll see you come out to say anything about that. But for public secondary school, this is a reality according to the statutes of the school. But the law says the Ghanaian child, it is not the Ghanaian private school child or the Ghanaian public school child. Because for any natural one in a cultural SSC, I am so worried because there is inconsistency in what Ghana Education Service is doing. The inconsistency is not a problem we have to say. To see I'm a Ghana boy can say, I say I'm another culture, they're right. I'm a member of Amnesty International, I don't speak for them too. I am a human rights student. And I think that based on the line saying human rights in one will not want to constitute the issue. Then the 1992 Constitution, the whole section 5, the chapter 5.
The 5.
Is devoted to the fundamental human rights of Ghanaians.
Yeah.
What they agree? Why is it stated this school now but I should shape the air up to what level? Now what constitutes an appreciable state? We wouldn't want to be too legalistic, but the American said, GES has finally come out to say the Benjamin Monana. Then on members who want to know, and some are of course, when the Papa one of the stations.
Mr. Boateng, just to chip in here, GES say they support the decision by the Achimota school.
Good. That's what I'm saying there. There's support there there. First, the children should be giving their admission, what they have been given. But to go and report to school, they must conform to the dictates of the school. And that is to have their head shaped.
But in the same school, no? You want to we are Obuha or a foreigner. You treat me Gusu, on China Sagana for the Gusui. Yamanako.
That is where the discrimination comes in. Even look at that I said the preamble. Say, let us look at the inconsistency in the Ghana system. But the important will be about there. You want to talk about the Ghana. Ah, they push to a papa with ya. Report change to Japan. That child is a Ghanaian child of school going age. So how equal the secondary school boy is a Ghanaian child going to school. And in the very law which proscribes a secondary school child, the student, not to carry dreadlocks, must be the same law that prevents a kindergarten child from not going to school. How have they been able to travel through the 10 year course at the basic level? And they have done other two secondary school, how do you there? It is anathema.
Okay.
Wrong for them to carry it.
Okay. And
okay. I don't blame the school, sorry. I don't blame the Ghana Education Service for not making it explicitly clear and it will drop dreadlocks.
Okay.
In their statute says no school child in Ghana must carry rasta.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Watte, another issue they say more teacher for more change in classroom no. Akola na wire dreadlocks no. Effect be na benya wo teacher ni no so. Me busa because Nagrat press conference no. Omo say GS asset tension teacher for no. Mistress no onye nkwala no a omo fo mo ho adwene. Na omo yes and that oh no I'm only asking say Mr. Martin. Yes, I know but I'm only asking say what effect will it have on the teachers?
We will make our stance clear, but what I am saying is that as a teacher, professional teacher, 22 years experience, we are making a say the teacher knew that Brahma Brahma fine saying they want to cram the classroom. We will teach the child.
Okay. Is that what you? Good.
When the so serious the case, the Ghana Education Service is saying no Ghanaian school boy or girl student should carry dreadlocks. You need to. Okay. People come at them. I don't know what the secondary school. What did they start to wear trousers? What secondary school is that? Then I'm 6'4", I'm going to be the trouser, and that marks the difference between 6'4" and older students.
Okay.
But and the boys
right.
The trouser, they do other things. So I'm saying that let the public go to see it, let them make things clear.
Okay.
That what our children do and what our children do not do. Because our brother's man
was BC.
Okay. But there are some teachers who also carry dreadlocks.
I almost check on idea. I am Colanum Peke, I'm Peke, right? Mr. Watte, Yana say na Uchama Besnako, Mama Amatonka. Good. All right, Greater Accra Regional Secretary for Nat, reputable Watte, and I'm Watene Kana. I'm in Cochama Homra, I'm Ernest, Masamba, Ernest, Masamba, Malande, Ernest, Mamintiu, Ober and then was say you will teach a four. Almost here rastas. How much time Colana dear? And no, Colanan Peke, in Rasta or Bromakufi, and kind of my phone and say, you're quite teacher rasted, and Rasta. I'm making it clear, say, Girl Education Service Act 2008, no. The woman say we should not discriminate against any school going age child. The Air Crossway, where do we draw the line? Minty, Massamba on the same.
Me de say ye nipa vansa do kase woni me ye nya the same sector.
Good.
na near all can after by minute ya be say GS be make things clear to the Ghana for ne ye rules I the year juma oh GS ya but so article 25 and chapter 5 fundamental human rights of 1992 constitution it gives room say we should give equal opportunity to all Ghanaian children to go to school.
Okay.
Good. Of which Emma will be a coin. Say uncle school. Name sa constitution no Emma or crime or school. Say school corona work on so on based on 1992 constitution. So what you say?
Based on the constitution.
Constitution, no, and the building.
Okay.
Sir. Okay. And we have the various units within Ghana Education Service, of which every unit on rights. So what you say? Per the GES rules. It conform with the GES rules. Now, let me be an ekasano. You are kase 1992 constitution. Emobia kwany. Ema you omo yet the ope.
You are right.
You are right. We have rights. And if you are right, any police him. Shall right to police him. It will surgeon. It will military. It will all force work. So what who rasta? Oh, any of this department won't be that. 1992 constitution. Say department of Ghana. What you say? So say ye kase ye jai niema ama na kosa de ekona masa me no mi no emoye. Emoye. Ba kokra. Now,
effect in the saying respect to Nkola wire dreadlocks no only effect be nya e was school no so any saying.
Say now all kase akwa 1992 constitution ma obia na right to onko school. But right no limit. What do me to say? I will limit. Say akwala ko school. Akwala ko school itimi mani journey training based on medical grounds.
Medical grounds.
Yes.
Okay.
It is some color we need no. Is it based on medical grounds or religious grounds?
Religion.
Yeah, religion. Correct. Now, young fan is me religion to say we could school. I'm in shape you too. Do you understand?
Okay.
Menfa and to mensi masane. Na memra. Obejino.
Are we not?
Oh, I'm asking.
Are we not
narrowing
there?
We are not narrowing anything. We are not narrowing anything. We are giving everybody the right to go to school. Okay, whatever dress you put on.
Okay.
Even we the teachers. Huh? Oh, what's the date? What is you want me to share a t-shirt? I could just class much idea.
Almost share.
Since when?
You are aware.
Oh, me who be.
Okay.
Me who short yes here. According to you know. Ocha na ye den. Ocha obewu. Ocha e die be na besie. Obeyare. Do you understand? Enti you see, when you see the school no wo no. One so sa na ma no so.
School no ye ne dia.
School no ye ne the school no authorities, our council.
Okay.
Omo mine school no. And the school no the rules. Anya wu ni pa ba ko nti. Ono ba say school rules no. Now, young father say, ya mo kwan, omo mra. Now, you nim say school for nkwala. Ya mo nyu mutinya sa. Enti the school for nkwala sa school ni akwala bo rasta. Na so wa share ti pay me. I got to school them. Secondary school, omo o tell me don hu bi. I'm asking you.
Me try there.
Me so hu bi.
Me try me nkwala me tell because of the religion. Tio. Omo ye Muslims nti no. Nkwala na e ma ni nyina ntwa muti. And as a teacher, you don't have even the right. So, you ask a question.
Yes, I'm happy you are going that way.
Very now, Guno. Nino, what why any no, and what the villa guso. Mini right, some catch and say, on Guayre, on Conco, Teddy, because ne somono, and Teresa. That is how it is. And I've told you so much chocoladia when you want. The food of the classroom,
yes, yes. And correct. Even JHS could go home. So, I say, and you won't call no. Google, and yes, sir.
Yeah.
Omo yet Muslims on Bahon, Google. Oh, master, why don't you allow him to answer?
No.
Do you know the question I'm asking him?
I do the questioning.
You're practical. You're practical. Oh, yeah, that's how you say it. Because we're a window to pass through.
No.
Let us be fair.
Okay.
So be a NCA school now your bar. Yeah. And Tina, and I say, Oko Islamic school. Oko Honoma, you obey the rules and regulations of Islam. What am I trying to say? I know also in this school, no. They don't admit dreadlocks there. On caso when you know, admission that they are man. Name of school number and also follow. Let's say one me, I don't see any issue about this case. And it's none of you said, no officer tell school, no. Almost so sad in this one. The best is open school on by safety.
No, I call. And I wouldn't school you high, your Rastafarians, Ghana. Minim, baby, no school rule. Oh, don't go ahead, say. What was that? What was that? Go ahead. Uncle, a friend is saying, school of Achimota, no go unity, no go school. No go see Diana, 3 on Cadis Young. Massa, no. Please, Islam, Mamma Casa. No, and I'm not a fan saying, Secretary Nekano. Don't stay saying tie. Say, even Crano, say, I call me to me, a boy cinema or yet Efra. Your man warning 1, 2, 3. 1 Kuya, and your discipline. Those days, not money, not classroom. And your discipline. I'm not Pamuno. Now you're a Corano Christian and they didn't know what no school be pregnant. I went to Kumawood secondary school. At Kumawood secondary school. When you more school be wet in my time. When you more, when you guys over to school because what happened for no. There was a reason. Okay. There was a reason. There are certain and you may go on school professor obey. But because I call and you know what you acquire in my big to me, okay. So I say, and in order not to create any problem for the school, no, you say we are wanting fee. But now we are no about now. Now what is school? What no about? I may say what no about. And I'm a boy. We are no about. It means deny no totally. But anyway, a miracle and you never met me as a sack. But master, a miracle. I know me and we are in the field. We are field. So I'm not crying. What we see now from class that says, maybe equality. No about school. Wait me up, Pamano. Maybe acquire payment or bus over to me up, Pamano. Peter Watting Busa say, Emranoa, a GS no, and about private and a public home by. Yes. Private for my common quality to school. And then a 100 year, a GS near Bino, and can was him. A horror now, okay. Maybe for I'm going to be a minute yard in it. So I say, also genius, no, and make rules, no, still forward to everybody. But I quite a private school, no, and you scan the epe. Oh, master, I'm telling you, and you scan. Oh, see, don't drag me there. The mention is a scan the epe. And the officer over me and a bar. Oh, no. If I are good nice, I know good or no virgin. But when you come to school, I've had a GS in public school, sir. We don't allow distance. And you are unemployed, public school, no matter so much public, more or more problem. No control. Why are examining body? He doesn't care about whatever you put on. Okay. And where doesn't care? Okay. Now, it's okay. Now, Chairman. Now, let's look at this. Akwala ebi ana mame abori tiso ko school ana say naturally ya wo no gidie ya ne say o SD ni e ma no ensha somade ndi na e wo no kwa na e mo na so ensha somade e wo nsanso bi o madisu aso ana masa eni nsanso e wo na disu aso na mom masa eni me bi wo ho na so wo hwe na benya influence e wo ada ankwala so ankwala hwa ade esu ade so ti ase if you me go say our teacher ni bi dreadlocks or Richard. You understand? Oh, now, those American say even GES. Ye teacher for there are rules. If our dress code, say, or dreadlocks. No, when your information said teacher, you know, among Corona, for now, more to Omano, Omana Pikiti tennis almost better.
Have you done any research on that? Maybe not research, but so the maybe tell they say, that is it. Possible. Obetumi you so be as a role model. You understand? Teacher in India, every no, not dream. Any big fee say at his age in India, he's okay with it. He understands what he's doing. But what about Kolana or copying up? When you're all that matured enough. Do you understand? And tell you what Maminia, a dear MYN, what your answer so.
Jack, Bremaka.
Young giant Sanya, dressing, will be dressing with tea, and Casamu Merana, and say at the show classroom. Your trust, you will never do a part at the Shiano, at the Messiah Dishano. And Muna, Mranica, and Muna school, Nika said, Senate here, Basin Nipetria, Ayapia, and you will do a Sabi, Ubo and Nanya, and Tenqualana, when Nantano, the Naroka woman on Qualanisha. Oh, Massa. My example, a reasonable example. I'm not more careful. Some of them and some and Qualado say, I know Marco Square, or Munia and Mayo, which almost sitting in the and that's all about. Just
okay, we start question. I say, please ask the person speaking that when he sent his child to the private school, he saw some of the children who has played their hair. Has his children learned from them?
Me back go school and I over what you mobility. Yeah. Now me bani back school. Akwala. Me na me control no. Na kwa ni be no akata say da. Ma me go school no. Ma hu say chama bana trinity me so me trinity. Enye no kura mu just anye ma no. Enye true. Akwala no ndi no ho. Enye true. Ada ti da akwala na omunye mu no. Enkwala na omunye mu no. Omo obudi ti na classroom. Ada ti da akwala na o maka no ko kase. Ma hu obi a wonye mu titi mu ma me nyem.
But I don't forget that peer influence as well.
No, me feel say Sanya mano and never never say obi a wonye mu no nukura emu when you're 18 years what could dimpen you for program I need to guess in be no be anyam when you bet in that classroom because only so pena only so fiso obi nyem ya no krampo no ya dinner to manage to osu ade mo say no die ye nje no to ba obi tiri nyi mo say akwala be na esu ya baby akwala no ko school nemra baby akwala no ko school omo ko bisa say and I'm still in school. No, yes, I know o school. Okay. And some o US yes as I go to exam. And kwala do say ni follow no. Ayo mo ti sarasta. Ntem do ha. En yes o ye. Ayi mo leader mo friend.
Angel.
So say, ade o ye kwa no ho kura mu uto. Textbook 2 years in what mean kawanso. What to okay. Well,
quickly.
Textbook what mean kawanso.
Yeah, quickly, chairman.
What you say? I'm to 3 years no muntu. Who can watch a mama? And I want to know akwala
Thank you so much. Chairman, what you say we no teacher union no who here so bebem.
Me never way.
Your concern na is that a concern?
Your concern.
They
are part. Those working there. No more year, man. I concern some Mamotono. Your pension pay promote ya. What do your pension pay? What ya? What your pension pay? Let it just go. They say your pension pay would not just go. I will not give you time.
And you're wrong to obey and I do no abosso. Ya rebi to say any yare akomayare wadumwatso wontimin didi oba ne barima wontimin wo me comforta read naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ni titiw ede ma emma wonoma wo fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na ma ufichi konso aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de ba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di padue ni mu eyi ya ro hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne ye wo Madam Katri clinic ya re nyina last
FD ahwehwe say dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya adwuma me mene da kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo be to me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afe na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achikide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nso ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be hu no say abeye mremremre a wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu eno suko na ohaw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika na ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebia akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwa atibie tienie kwa atibie Eastern Region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kwawu atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well awol pia obusia ise ifiri mu why the den it is slower we na fa kokko we na se dia wa wonu tua wo fa se no mo ma ye den ma menti wo de we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye tiduma na ma me why so what ebusia yenko no kumase na mo ko no kumase
Martin Luther oh na it's been a long time oh yeah me say minia obra kwantu ya o semina na ma yan ka twene ni ahwedan yo ne busu ya pania suma me semina me pada o ma se akamara na me se ya chini ye nya da ka yi na nsani na semu na mo da so a wo hia me de we ni problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai betru Ghana ana me na na confidential wo to na no ansia do ni eje yi ni bo me so e wa bre de me ni kapre odu obi na kire me go free casket shop e wo kuma se labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ni me yes kan hye yo wo de bi ntwa no misika ye di ma me se me fa no iswa abezu ye se me ambulance na me sam fe de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ye ambulance service into ni problem kra ani na ye nya ni se wo benya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se kuma stay by plan no ye ko na ko kira wo some Cosway casket shop ye wona ka me bere te se de mu ni na Cosway casket shop ye wo kuma se infantile new town ye di labor office na ben Cosway casket shop we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute say dear ye nimu na ye ko ya sanso ade new programs kra na e de ebremo March mo ne da etoso aduonu enson 27th March ya e Saturday ebe ya ye de eda ba ko pe esi ho a kire wo eniema wo ya ye nkire bi wo ba bia da ka tai che e kire se ka akoba ye yusu atwam no ade na ye kire wo se na esi ede ye nkonya ede gu ye dem ye office ye restaurant any ba bia ye be sanso a kire mosquito spray we de eyasem de efie bia ni wa ntuntum nie enu ntino ye kire wo tuntum adura wo be spray wo dem a entuntum bia ntimi nka wo we esase efie bia mu obi firi ho ba na obesua saade we esanse entuntum edi enya ye pa ye be sanso a kire wo car and motor tracking device installations ekwan ya be fo so a wo de machine bi e be hye car mu anase wo moto mu na fei ba bia ewo bia no watimi attrack no se nipa kura wo betimi de bia hye no ho ba bia onam bia no obehu ba bia onam ye be kire wo ointment for general body pain se o body no e hyehyew anase se honam dodo a ade a wo de be srasra so a e be kokura ye be kire wo stretch marks removal cream ye nua ma na stretch marks aye mo ho bebre no me pa cho bra fa number na e de screen so no na free sesi a na register 0244 294066 brane besua adura wo de be ye o stretch mask so a ebe kokora e de ama wo afei so yeguso a ye kire tomato paste ye e na afei so tomato yogurt se de sidi entos eye tomato paste ene se ne sidi entos eye tomato yogurt afei so ye nuanom akuafo ye da so a efrem se mommra na mombesua se ne si ye wood side adura ye de himura nyina bra ne ye kire kama pa sa ne ma we nyina na nyankopon ya adoma 27th March ya eye Saturday ebe ya ye be kire simple no wo hunu simple jumadie baso ewo Kumase ahojo Atenga Junction baby ya Kumawood TV wona anopa no nsia pepepe na fei registration no ye de nyina ahyehyes no nkro pepepe eye 9 am na anonso no ye de training na nkasa ahyehyes acha no 9 ne ye wie ni nyina na fei baby ya wo bia no wasan so akọ when nyina no uwia ye ma pen drive videos ni nyina ewo so enti wo fi ano anse ubo video na se ora fi bibia na wakai ye besan so ma handout no so ya twetwere bibia ewo mu ye be ma lunch ewie aduane a obedie eno so nyina achimbi afei so se wo fra chirichiri na wo ba bia obeda ni nyina so eshembi ni nyina na obetua ye 300 Ghana cedis per training no ye 250 and a pen drive enso ye 50 Ghana
Ewusia sign Emma Wakwaba Jumadi no Sirupi. We are live on Kumawood television. We did say Mike. You didn't come on Ghana Education Service. Dear Achimota Senior High School no Makofaba. GS Edi Kanka say Emofano Yenyu Omo. I feel the almost here. Emofano Yeju Omo. Mokra no ya address money omo because omo kuta dreadlocks. Omo pese. Ye share the effects. Say abofra wo basic school. Why the tino? So ko school wo ba wonye the tino. Na edinso so boni bibra oba no ana again ye be hen kwala no so no omusu ena moban ena ye no matena e wo school ahodo mu ana say ehu akwala no an because say bia the tinu afunti no e wo say ye redro akwala no e kwan so a mpadifo so fa so a omo so e communicate information to nkwala no na ahofo no so no e bo nkwala no mo da ate ana ni nyina na issue la e wo say itimi adwene ho na yedi ho enkomo ye wi aketo abi na yedi rem on economics intelligence unit omo reporter omo atimi ede aba Jake just in 2 minutes dem bu say say nkola no ombe hia psychologist na
media man ye hu o question na obisa eye papa eye hu mi say oni mi say school no afa o wi a omo ma o be school mo ko jeni ma o ba toto awo awo fo no ko
yeah
ko jeni
mai bibia
akọjie na sabi akra ne so ko register kra na ko wa eka okotro ya no nyina no na ni tiri ni saa na gusu de picture awo so saa okoya okotro ya na mo amani ni ema so onkototo sabi enti na maka school na ko yesua nyansa yesua kwa fa so ni pedi nko enti nka kwala no kura ba ti se de wo ka no obetima afra wo fo no sabi na mo no mo di nko no ma follow a chiri no mo sa akra no kura no e life na obo ana say o ma ye ni tiri ni sa no aye ni tiri yam fa ne se me de yenyi sum ni because akra no kwa wan ka se me ko sum mi sum bi wo ho na obi di sum ti san sam na ko fo kan kwa de hu ni firi akra no kwa wan ka se me ya rastafili tinti ye de se ni ye no wan kasa akra na anya se think at least o na wo fo no kura nkasa abra akra no kwa anya awe
good
o ma anya sa akra na to nyema ni na ewi na wo fo di na ko tu school o se akra no ko du school ma o se minje mo monko adi adisua ne yesu
ko twa tinyina bra
yabi ade na wo ye wo bisa kwase bi na me fo awo so adi ani yeyi wa koduru wa awo se monko fi
now abey national issue enkola no ebe psychologist dey mo na because before me ba show so me papa akodi nkomo Mario ne papa ono o kan say omo kwa hwe another school e dey ama akola no ba utie the Rastafarian Council na omo so person dey issue no akokot sa nkola no anopa nso metie akola na nkasa ewo me colleague ba kokofi asante ni program so na akola ne kan say okọ school mu no what ye man gina hwa na obia emfi no now no wose e ha no de but o school mura no so a rules e de man no a ebia no nsa dan kire say wose ono no Rastafari yenye no e ha no now no de na wose ye yes de be bituma support nkola no psychologically and affect your modachi
sasa ma o ka onim say last week am say akola bi onye school ono kwa nsi no wo yi 39 anasese wa anye school na ne ma no ade no call ba bi fofo mo de no call no so school na ya ma akwara no onim sa akwara no ko share no makọ
yeah
apart from so ono kura na school na wonya akwara
I think canteen grono one girl so yeah
enta akwara no so wonya school kura mpo no otimi dwuna adwuni bi se me ndafo fo nyina nya school so school me nya school na akwara ya san kama Ghana fo nyina te wiase nyina te ya do mo ye discussing obi e do mo ye nya o mo ti se akwara de be mu no se me ye nipa boni ni ana mi kum nipa o se wa ya akwala abele no ngwa be kasa ana mi kum nipa ana e die ntina ye mi se ana mi nya Ghana ni ada ntina se ye mesa enti de ye nyina no se bi ya ngwa akwala no eye de bia be ka be sa asamba for nation nipa ko ni shu because ye nyina ye tiwe se ye kase school se o de mreba ama ye nyina di super pepa nka wo fo bi ni Ghana ha obetime di school bi amra so se yanka so okay ye nyina ye nyi eti sekola ana ye ntwa eti down ka wo fo bi na obetime de obeka ya do ye discussing kramfo di ba di sem tete obeka ya ama MPs ni nyina me ami MP ona bo mu taka mu nyina do mu gye ana sade ne stop press se wo so ko school mo a ya temi jama o mu guma ya afi ba se sa school ni nyanka mo fo school
me hold the income for school
ba me chese enye nkram for school se
ayo baba enye school bia uko for school me nyese so obetime guma ya
me chira wo se sa because nkram for school HS aya ban school
okay
se abaya je se so we achimata se aya
government
aya government ba na ya swale bi dia
ba still na government
ene na me person me cheno se school so na ya wura ma
public school
we school no abaya je to ntimi nka se first ni tisi me wudi o mra me ba school nti na minim se sa akora no control minim so be ko azi ya me de be ko azi ya school se ni se nti me mfa me ba nti de me se yem bu ankwala ade ye ye no
ebe affect you okay chairman
akwara ni so aben
me pacho
okoye science
yes sa ankwala no kwa de se miensa omo ye ahinasa Mario no omo ye ahinasa ma mienu na bema na nya achimota no ne nuanu mienu no de omo anya school a yaje omo ma mienu yaje omo chairman me ntie now yemfa ye ho enhya hofo no ne akwala no issues mu ere na wose ye as a country na etumi bua man kwala no entumi nkom dachi enhye
Miki em se wo kasa no na sound say ase school no emma o mo admission mo call ho no ase o mo no man ka hwe and one say ya ma admission
did I say that
yeah per the mo kase na oti na o kase o se ka school no fra wo mo ono mo tena se
the mode of communication no
ana so ne unya opportunity etie papa no
yeah
did they call the parents school no fra parents no ono mo tena se
o se according to
me I just want to hear
papa Mario papa no o se ono no den mayo an call yen because na achmata na kiu no wa no oba na ne ba ne da so gina ho eno busa na se ne ba ne sa dai eno osi teacher for no a omo registration ne se ono de omo yin school man ti onyina nten na omo na gina baabi ndi o try so be hu the headmistress no ya ma no enhu no okoye so ni ho okohu assistant headmaster ka chen say omo ntime nje sa akola no e wo school ho that is what he said
say any dear then the communication was very poor and very bad in any case also komo ma akola no etnase say if the school have decided that now ma akola no nya better place reception tenase now friend parents neighbor now parents ne tenase edi nkomo either it can be said it may be on medical grounds now on spiritual grounds so what you say ebi bo esi emfa afaso nkaneti
na no ka school bajatu
oh so na me ka say it depends it is omo tenase no omo kasa tie omo kasa na say school no etimi emma parents no certain reasons na say parents be say okay so mo say nyina ebi ade akora na ekokora na ene yes ne say mo be di na omo the access to the authorities to explain to them certain rules and regulations so what you say and I know say now say parents no school no any parents ne tenase
abra akora no kwa nya we kra
na omo tenase bia these are rules and regulations of the school akora de yamana admission but bia pen dreadlocks no we don't allow here and bia say this and I say okay be makwan bia be mena yi and I say bia ye be mena yi ni say then it moves on so what you say but me no say omo no man communicate I handle case ni they didn't do well how there I disagree
later on they gave them official letter say in the BC but
not already no they that is
but you must say na to you know what will be your suggestion to the parents any abofani now
good me there me akola education no to me is paramount more than the head and you say parents ni be me let's say and you on medical grounds let's say kwani ni tini ni problem omo man 3 years it's just oh that is where they have the no and they say school be also no rules and ameboa and then no so mo feel say training no enye ade say etwa and onye something and obewu a I think so man ntwa 3 years we are go university nobody begrudge you so what I say to me I mean if I have my way and my parents yeah this is what I will go so omo feel say omo ntime so a now the other schools are able to rules to allow that no mon copy division na akwa no unim ade a enye no enye school akwa na ma pass you wa modern mo eno preparation ena ma ena nan so de
ever said enfama God's Way Casket Shop e wo Kumasi Asafo labor runabout on Senifa so a o de call Prempa Assembly Hall was wanya yie ena pray for daka ato prices no from pa obenya bi atimi e de maybe kwala woni sika oba no be nhye na afi wotu na akra kopem se obewie sanso na wo ye na pabesia de ye a obabuo eye hu bibia no oba se ya ambulance se flowers se ya ahenema na ope eye for that kankasa na ope se ope video coverage ana se ntomakora na ope flowers hodo de begu munu su nyina no God's Way Casket Shop ewo ebi ope tu na so akoton so a wetumi abo pa omo ewo Kumasi befre ewo 0243 737-457 0243-737-457 Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic na from Madam Catherine omo na Madam Catherine mo jedru obekai pa dru eboa pa na ene hospital kese pa na omo si ewo Kumasi Bodi Junction anunti pomodin ayare bia ha obi ano oba ombetumi aboa no betumi ahwe ma ho atumi ato hyene so sayare sabia oba doctor for na nurse fu nya botra hwe wo ahede obedi odidie mu bia abeda kwa fa so abefa unro omo tetu gie ama yare ne kwa ensama biu Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic hyene so say de abibi droi na esayare tutupa ho so a eboa pa ma nipa mpempem edi ho adanse atumi de Madam Catherine de eno na eno me mo fara bre mu ayegu so a ye eno moden na efre wo mu ewo 0278626262 0278626262 from na omo anyo so Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center ewo Kwawu Etibie Eastern Region of Ghana ho ena omo ewo Malam say ebia na yare bi ena da wo so abusuani bi so eye edam etwere ana say bi a stroke bi na achi obi hepatitis bi na ha obi na bafana no esunsuo usua de na ne refi ana say yare bia de oba na ka cho betumi aboa pa adwuma sem so na ayeden akwantu na wo pe utu gold okwa wunya bi obi store amanfo ma court case bi na wo wu so de bi mpa ba yibo gu so ana say bi a wo no ba bi a wo ne obi a sha ware akoduru no aduru akiri obi akwaburu akiri wayiwa ma nyina no oso ba connection ho a obetumi aboa na twedi ampon boss to ba ase ne dimu ntino watumi aboa wo ko mfie adunu enwotwe en wata ko wati aya adwuma asi radio station TV kura ka ho ho a ne ho ma asam da nti bomodin akopi mo obetumi aboa pa wo ko atibie nkokọ na afafa ka se ko atibie Eastern region 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 frame halam na ontimi anyos nyame ya aduma efiada be 27th Kumawood Training Institute asoe ba ko a ya ja tumu pa na ya ma ya bodin krata se yemfa nchechero ensa no nyuma de da koro na mienu echero mo otumi hu ni yie na onso ye teacher ni we nurse ni doctor wanga san we wadwuma businessman ubesua ka ho Sunday school teacher maame a onso wo ba bie anase mo magazine no ubesua ka de mo ho dada nimde de empro na etumi abo ma otumi nya sika de ahwe abo ho ebra Kumawood Training Institute nyame adot on the 70 ya na training no eba so ewo ahonjo Atenga Junction na Kumase uduru Kumase a udu Kajetia oso kwa ahonjo udu Santase oso kwa ahonjo udu Teka oso kwa ahonjo na ehonjo Atenga Junction ho na training no ebitimi across the premises of Kumawood Television channel so say bachelor with the size ntia forum mama manamra mama besu bi na entumi emwa sanso no kwa fa so yede tai ya yede eheka ka mu say ya na ya to atwe no ye hye no aha edum bro nya bre ye hye no tai no e de chokwa be fa ya konwa o be ya konwa papa gu dem e de agu shop na tumi aboa sanso na tomato paste ye bachelor 3D epoxy mosquito spray stretch marks wo ho a but then talk about between fast bit me aye nkun bi a wo de fast wa na ko na onso etimi abo na fi car tracking device nti mo am cars no mra na ma mesu mo mantam mo nyina between ba ko between besua na akwakobo kire mo am ho nyina na etimi abo mo bra besua bi na etimi mo 250 Ghana cedis per na yeji ho hia pen drive kan ho a na amount yaje 300 Ghana cedis na ye de ama ba ha na uta wo be ko na wo ba ko yusu e ma pen drive e ma t-shirt e ma bia beda ya sama de obedie ni nyina kan bom and 300 Ghana cedis. I'm here to me fear ya. Over fresh 0244 294066 0244 294066. Na afi unj penchemu bia etimi ade amamedin ade say Mike yenhwe na yefadwe na afi yemi amman ntum na monso monfa waje nkyere entimi emra economics intelligent unit de omde aba Jake almost say NDC you are tipped to win 2024 general elections presidential Mbesan enya slight majority in parliament. Nemum until say if bishop the clause bishop must not John Dramani Mahama. Where this up? We are about 2 minutes because I may run time for my friend for temper.
We are winning.
Good.
It's
not true.
Now we are winning. Meaning the one. For example, following politics in the young politics. Sanko for so be the
oh, okay.
You would need me the other day. And yes, it is open about a catcher. I catch and show. And my answer will be so guinea baby. The three to be with me. I'm in a program here. I can't even mean okay. And to know when a bachelor say NDC baby. Yeah, about Yayan Cassini. And I'm a more born in an Akufa Ghana food name. I never know Cassini. Where you budget to be 2017. Where you budget to be a Ghana, Libya, Salini, or Boy, or Bosuku. We budget to you, wait, Mamma, in Susan Baco. Baba would have a Cassi budget to the Aquaman.
Is it not too early to say that movie? 4 years old. I tell me, catch and say, the catcher was saying, you, Mundi, to Master Media, Media to be cry. But you still have the ways of moving. I mean, I make us so many of a catcher or more young pet. They mean to me, and this is my dear too. But I mean, they mean, say, you need that, and your money so very no, but there are no way to be. You have to abandon the way. Or man will say, I go buy your budget.
ɔman ni mu ɔmo kyerɛ aba ɛna ɔmo de ɔmo adwina fa ɔmo abaka ɔmo yɛ na ɔmo aka kyerɛ ne sɛ ayi sɛ yɛ bɛ yi ne a gye sɛ yɛ de foforɔ ba ɔmo na ɔmo bisa no ɔmo mi ntimi nka ɔmo report no ɔmo si nipa dodo sɛ na ɔmo bisa ɔmo ne nipa na ɔmo bisa ɔmo no ɔmo yɛ hwan mo.
Oli kyɛn Mahama. Asa party mo bɛ sisa Mahama na.
Mahama deɛ mi tumi ni deɛ mi gye kidi 100% nti na mi ka kyerɛ ɔsɛ deɛ wa mi se so wankɔ a yɛ mu bi de yɛ bɛ su adani fie apa na kyɛw sɛ wɔmmra wobɛkae a MPP tiki wɔ over 2016 2017 wo sɛ ɔmo kaa sɛ John Ahmadeɛ wɔyɛ nti na wɔayere mu kora 1 million vote kora ɔmo sɛ
wɔnya 43%.
afei deɛ ɛduru baabi MPs na ɔmo winiɛ na ɔmo bi tiɛ almost 160 sɛ ne yɛ guta 106 ne yɛ guta 106 ɛna deɛ deɛ aka nyina 270 deɛ aka nyina ne yɛ ɔmo deɛ ɛnɛ ɛduru baabi kora parliament sɛ nkɔmɔ amfa tuo constituency bo man fatu ni soldiers a enka city no enka se say ye bi to
MP over ne senya Mahama onye
ani na me ka party no me ka party ni general so mo ti e be wi ni no ansa na me ba Mahama dia no sa na mpata me kire nti me pese me kire say party ni nyina no se na o mo say party na egukuru ewi ana me ka se 2016 vote ankofo gidi ankofo nya adoma ayi na na akofo ado no ne ye to abama omu no parliament APC no mu hia ya mpo no ma ye bibia ba ne akoye penti dia me ka kire omu no se John Mahama de ye mu bidie ye koto aba o ndis phone ye koto aba yi no 2 John Mahama ne enim se de no omu so kan so be nya o ne John Mahama onya 1 million vote kura onya aname no ka se John Mahama awo eguta 6 million afa do ba kan se sani pa ko me fa ne ba afa omu be
of course this is the man and win election amenko chama minti almost say you are losing the elections is even too early but omo hunu say momo no say nko ye nti mo be lose elections no 2024
that's intelligent economic intelligence unit so we omo dia ba media
okay
na yes utu na mona bihu se enema bi nkoyi na oka we research na onso wafa no state so atiase na be office one tt yi no do SCC me ka se aye too early
okay
for that protection ana minya report no hwe o analysis the basis
okay
we should now produce ya advance but so na dan ko for the man is see house to 2020 elections. I can tell you, say, mistakes are here.
Okay.
One, right from they choose a parliamentary candidate. So what I say, the sense that yes, I go through the what do you call it, galamsey fight, banking cleanup exercise. And that sack of a 19-year bad year, we have a look. I say, my two school for almost 1 year. Not private schools. All these things are infidel cheating. So that means almost say I never but any people more it will affect somebody. What you make us based on that, any people money and you know the American and they said never mind this for no some of the seats now I'm moving it's based on our own. The name be a yam way. By a barco. So I make us. Ye name be a to be to an amoy. By a barco. Then when it's 2024, another done for them people. And then we'll be boo. And then won't you be to the bench and say, Ghana for me up from me and to us. Ghana, Mara. Yen she shall say, party you call 8 years, also my party people. No. Yes, I let ye. And you are bravo over. And it a setting up on the Ghana for better, and a better Ghana for 12 and some woman for also. Nemo so you so and then if we are seeing superpowers in and then you go from issue. The physical and now, how many of the 19 one. I'm telling you, say, another dunk for one money.
Right.
I mean, say,
yeah, I'm in focus.
Yes, I get with see yet.
Good.
Come on, say the name is yet, yeah, Pasha. The bell Barbara, but then here near my okay.
MPP who are you? And in Suya, and in Suya,
right. I was go so Sinopi, Jake me pacho, my man and family course. No, be a manatum 0202668461 0202668462. So if a student come to school with Chatawale haircuts or they dye their hair, should we admit them? Another question, Obusa, I don't know. Or say, why is this man against the boy using his deadlocks? Now I understand. For schooling, he is very hypocrite. We have a lot of doctors who are rastas, but yet performing their duties. Religion is religion. What is good for Christian is also good for Rastafarians. Likewise, Muslims and traditionalists. Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Okay. Wait me up. Maybe I'm on 0202668461 668462. We so dear. Ajingo, right? Achimota School has produced a lot.
Good evening. Good evening.
Okay, good evening. You are free. Good. Mampo Buani Mientio. Why not say it to you, Adaroma?
Now, I almost normal car as far as appearance, you know. School you over here. On Chronicle School, I would see me for what we have associated so much because of a bit and more about this young inquiry. And I want to hear some called LCA school. As I have a chance, my dear. And a man or one school, my access. If you don't know, I call that or one to me and 1 month. I won't know what you know. I come out of school. And a man.
Okay.
If any of your mom can say, I will
okay.
Human rights. If you don't, human rights are you for your own case week.
Okay. You're not saying okay. You're not saying for it. But let's look at the team. You know, a day bonnie and now. Hello, good evening. Yes, that good. That go into you, ring.
La chama de Bia, the chama, for you go TV. In a post you for TV, and I'll do a special agent. Oh, I would do the next number of it too. But the chapa, I can't prefer me, can say. Everyone said, Yamata, we have a issue of Ghana. Maybe I can't watch it. We have a shock on only and your man was so good. Why do you Kuma? And the young guy say, Master Philip. With 100% become this is one part. Last of one of who come up and for 4 crowds who did the book on. I think you will move to that.
Oh, too bad. That could fetch me. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, you are free.
But you're very big on the thing.
Okay, Omega into free jabbing.
But so, I think I can simple class. The JJ Abraham who was a school and one of my school now more than lost. The Obia never fast one, I won't pass. I don't know because they have no school. You're ready.
Okay. Yanasi. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay, also bet me have 0202 668461 668462. Obi say Sankolano Obi nso ko bia be ye ne dan. Are they not being controlled by their parents and na ye hwe won so kakra. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening. Oh, was sure no so that ye nti odi na be free.
My friend said, I dare almost so man, because we might need to say the come because I was not so over the front now.
Abane, Jay, I want to say in now clear. Wait me a position with a crammer. Well, yeah, for what she. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Well, 0202668464, 0202668461. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Men tell who TV no, if so, I tell you phone idea for you, me and Tonka. Hello. Hello. Hello, good evening. Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
What do you have from me, friend? Right, Joe, mean to Fijachi. Mokwa no say in Soto to the Accra. In Soto de Canada crown.
Oh, so we thought the sending to no paper.
Yambe, Accra.
Nah, a student no one and I'm better than Kaka.
Okay.
Dana for that. Dana, I'm penny for only people keep Ogi Becher school one, or chair down for school, also I last school no, Monjano. Now the Mike, oh, to wait in the to wait no more to wait in our wouldn't see you singing a rat and a young. And you know, I'm to see you to I at the 2 8. You see me on Casaneta in I lasted. No, dear, I've been one with my dear, when Jack Wapa, Motor rat and to Monjano. Education more from education by an open school man. You can't do better than the permanent free school more. And I told that prayer measure the permanent free school more. And I told him that the permanent free school more. Only Palana being in here, only a bit of their baby factor. The United President of that Nepal, they look at who's going to show more for you in our house and all the pickup.
Okay, you're not sick. Na enchia hopefully na. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
We need to be free.
Hello.
About we need to be free. I tell you, Dixon mean to free Barakasi. Dixon, you too. Dixon Kasa, you too, Kasa. Dixon was so Kasa.
President John Dramond, former president, National Secretary Kakaka. Now, because of my chief for the Ashapuna, they don't want to academy. I don't think it's not about John Dramond Mahama. Video GPT in China, every crowd which we end up after motion. It is the time so according to the Ghana Constitution. And I've been fighting in the Emma no idea. You get about a prevention of a free set over contested.
Okay.
Now, school for no dear no. Ghana, I will be on my young social. Because you're so at the end of the cacao, and no, we are back. And really, I'm more actually more than the toy outside here. Time you're ready to say, got it, Kung Fu, it is not a big sham. The really similar to the idea that who said you don't say you don't have your Kung Fu. But then I'm saying, why you need to that the only a Kung Fu. Like it, and what's so good is it is one man. What my young social?
Okay. Yeah, now say. Hello, good evening. We need to be free, you Ray. How about there? Good. Yentil free Kunfina, Yanja Kunfu Agenture.
Now, and the better that
yeah.
Minister communication on ground, we are I'm going to I said on back to the there. And then the couple of them, that woman can't, they won't be wrong. And if you know, communication about into the country of the reaction that is more political. But if you're better position, let's go on and back. Yeah, he said, if you don't want to who's the regression of the ọkùnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ̀ wọ́n sí ẹ̀mí àwọn ọ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ní ẹ̀dọ́ ẹ̀dọ́ ọ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ sẹ́yìn náà ọ̀gbọ́n ọba ẹ̀dọ́ ọba yẹn tó ẹ̀gbọ́n náà bẹ́ẹ̀ kó ní ẹ̀ka yẹn gbà ẹ̀dọ́ ọkùnrin wọ́n yọ ọkùnrin kẹ́kẹ́ lẹ́sìn ó kó tún bí ọ̀nà ẹ̀mí àwọn ọ̀sùn ọ̀ ayé ní ẹ̀mí so ẹ̀dọ́ ọ̀nà ẹ̀mí àwọn ọ̀sùn ẹ̀mí so ẹ̀dọ́
right ọfaya yɛnkyea akomfi na akwafo nyinaa na mɔfa na ɔmonyem schools no nso no yɛnyɛ ɔmo dan. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Udin, you be out free. Good.
I can't say good money and appreciate the kind of criteria here. Because I've been calling from here. For you, good year, I'll see you good. Good year, I'll see you good. Good, so you have dynamic of Finaca. Petrol quality. I'm for the bank as you, on the issue. If you do also with the guy to speak and no variety, you know, speak our partner. The room at the room for you, the dinner way. So, one come for a woman's school or say,
okay, but we have the same achimota. Omajim rofo wa omutri nyuguso. I want to be saying, hello, good evening. Okay, yes, my friend for Ninsia, that is another issue. Say, on my nose, so about my name, Emrano, a DP, and any biana. Can the old students of Achimota from say Achimota, ABC and Nay, be a co be a biana, but me a catch a yanya, I say. Yenya will be a thing in your own child watching Motana. Your videos, pictures of a Mrofoa, or my Achimota, no mutrino, na yen chai. And no school mrano, that's an enye jumana. Again, the comparison my ye say, Mofrano, you be so ye gay, a day is bamboni a yentum. Now, Bisu Johnny 3 years ago say, oh, ye, now, me bound. Now, so what Trumpers and Pesa, and no serious bambonia, yentum one. That's the question I'm leaving you with. Chama, Yako.
Mickey, the mechanic say, good. Questions here, Ubuse. Any okay, you know. Yes, say. I don't know what's there. Yes, say. Almost say. Who number? Yeah. A bay juma. Sort as now, you know, Master, you know, you've been to school. In Emraya come throughout. Sort as here. And into the moment, say, Jake. I yes, sir.
Omo kase edi never be compared. O fact 1992 constitution na of san fire bible na gay etia nti so onima onko sua ho no ba kwala ne rasta no eni e constitution mu say prevent no two sanko for no say ma me atimata na school na so be school e mata bisa na say
time so right Jake Azantilo NDC and that's a special assistant to the member of parliament for Mensia North constituency in the ticket of the NPP or second vice chairman Jake the member of the NDC OT Ninkanya I mean Adam do me ya watching am say aten ka me din at the Michael Nana Adumakon obetimi afrem say Mike on behalf of the entire crew the see Cheneson Saturday bi o ha the ma God's Casket Shop Tawhid Natural Clinic Malam Mohammed Spiritual and Herbal Center what be enyumre no so open on Kromalab e wo show so live on Kumawood TV obetimi ahwene sanso na Kumawood Training Institute e de branya me adma 27 omo e do bisika so aseme de dwumade no ebremo sanche bia ni wobio bia
sanka nanka me bechia madam
and yaro ahodo ben e na agi ni padua no aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo me kanfo Tawhid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ni titiw e de ma emma wono ma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonica eboa e ma woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de aba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic e wo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne wo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebi no be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra
adwuma memene da okay kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo be to me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afa na kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afa na ne timi mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina ono wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye ube ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kira wo kwan no wo be hu na say abaye mremremre okay a wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu eno suko na ohaw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwa atibie tienie kwa atibie Eastern Region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kwawu atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well awol pia obusia yese yifiri mu mo ye den nti be slowa we na fa kokko we film na se dia wa wonu tua wo fa se no mo ye den ma menti wo de we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye diguma na ma me wai obusia yenko nkumase nko nkumase
oh it's been a long time oh yeah missy minia obra kwantu ya o semina na ma ya nke twene ni ahwedan yo na busu ya fani asoma me semina me pada o kuma se akamara na me se ya chini ye nya da kai ya na nsani o na semu na woda so a mo hia me de woni problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai betru Ghana ana me na confidential woto na nan mo ansia do ni eje yi ni bo me so e wa bre de mi ni kapre odu obi na kire me go free casket shop a e wo kuma se labor hire me ko ho no ma anu musa ni mi yes kan hye yo wo de mi ntwa no misika ya di ma me se me fa no ani so abensu ya se me ambulance na me sam fa de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ya ambulance service into any problem kra ani na ye ye ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se kuma stay by plan no ye ko dem ko kira o some Cosway casket shop here ye wona come bere te se de mu ni na Cosway casket shop ye wo kuma se infantile town ye di labor office na ben Cosway casket shop we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Say dear, yenimu na yeko. Ya sanso ade new programs kra na ede ebremo. March mo ne da etoso aduonu enson 27th March ya. Eye Saturday ebe ya. Ye de eda ba ko pe esi ho. Akyerɛkyerɛw eniema wo ya. Ye nkyerɛ bi wo ba bia ada. Car tie che. Ekyerɛ se car koba ye use atwam no. Ade na ye kyerɛw se na esi ede ye nkonya, ede gu ye dem, ye office, ye restaurant, eni ba bia. Ye besanso akyerɛw mosquito spray. We de eyasem de efie bia ni wa ntuntum nie. Eno ntino ye kyerɛw tuntum adura. Wo de be spray wo dem a entuntum bia ntimi nka wo. We esase efie bia mu obi firi ho ba na obesua saade we. Esanse entuntum edi enya yie pa. Ye besanso akyerɛw car and motor tracking device installations. Ekwan ya ebefa so a wo de machine bi ebe hye car mu anase wo moto mu na afei baabi a ewo bia no watimi atracke no. Se nipa kura wo betimi de bia hye no ho baabi onam bia no obehu baabi a onam. Ye be kyerɛw ointment for general body pain. Se o body no ehyehyew anase se honam dodo a ade a wo de be srasra so a ebe kokora. Ye be kyerɛw stretch marks removal cream. Yenua ma na stretch marks ayem ho bebre no me pa cho bra fa number na e de screen so no na fra yen sesi a na yen register 0244 294066. Brane besua adura wo de be ye o stretch marks so a ebe kokora e de ama wo. Afei so yeguso a ye kyerɛw tomato paste ye e na afei so tomato yogurt. Se de sidi entos eye tomato paste ene se ne sidi entos eye tomato yogurt. Afei so ye nuanom akuafo ye da so a efrem se mommra na mombesua se ne si ye wood side adura ye de himura nyina bra ne ye kyerɛw kama pa. Sa ne ma we nyina na nyankopon ya adoma 27th March ya eye Saturday ebe ya ye be kyerɛw simple na wo hu no simple jumadie baso ewo Kumase ahodwo Atenga Junction baabi ya Kumawood TV wona anopa no nsia pepepe na afei registration no ye de ne nyina ahyehyɛ no nkro pepepe eye 9 am na anonso no ye de training na nkasa ahyehyɛ so acha no 9 ne ye wie ne nyina na afei baabi ya wo bia no wasan so akɔ we nyina no uwia ye ma pen drive videos ni nyina ewo so enti wo fi ano anse ubo video na se ora fi bibia na wakai ye besan so ma handout no so ya twetwere bibia ewo mu ye be ma lunch ewia aduane a obedie eno so enyina achimbi afei so se wo fra chirichiri na wo ba baabi a obeda ni nyina so ehembi ni nyina na obetua eye 300 Ghana cedis per training no eye 250 and pen drive enso eye 50 Ghana tua we ni enkyerɛw sa na ma we nyina fa number na e de screen so no na fra yen sesi a na yen register 0244 294066 eye Kumawood Training Institute wase eye nsano dwuma hemfie e beye butu
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Enyaruwa hodo ben na agi nipadua no aboso yare bi ti se eniyare akomayare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo mekanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho yene kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie nipadua no ne titiw ede ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wofichi konso aye kama ye won fidie wa waso a ye de aba adwaman so a ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase asante mantembu adi ne yewo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
animudi a memmanfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a cheno wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya adwuma memene da okay kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda wada form obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa kwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne timi mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye ube ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nso ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be ko say abɛyɛ mmeremmeremre
okay
a wo banyem easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mmerɛ enwura sunsumu ena sukɔ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwɛ na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na wohwɛ ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so agye afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana obefre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well all pia o say say iflimu mo ye den ti be slowa we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa wonu tua o fa say no mo ye den ma menti wo de we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye digman ma no wai slowa ti ebusa yenko nkumase nko nkumase
oh it's been a long time oh yeah missy minia obra kwantu ya o semina na ma ya nke twene ni ahwedan o ne busu ya fani asoma me semina me pada o kuma se akamara na me se ya chini yenya daka yi
ya nansani o
nanse mo na mo that's why wo hia me we need problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai bedru Ghana ana me na na kwabedantwi wo to na nanom ansia do ne eje yi ni pro me so e wa bre ne mi ni kapre odu ko bi na kire me grocery casket shop a e wo kuma se labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ne mi yes kan hye yo wo de mi ntwa no misika ya di ma me se me fa ma no iso afi so ya se me ambulance na me sam fa de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ya ambulance service into any problem kra ani na ye nya ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se kuma stay by plan no ye kwena mo ko kira o some Kumawood casket shop ye wona ka me bere te se de mo hu ni na Kumawood casket shop ye wo kuma se infant new town ye di labor office na ben Kumawood casket shop we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Say dear, ye nimu na ye ko. Ya sanso ade new programs kra na e de ebremo. March mo ne da etoso aduonu enson 27th March ya. Eye Saturday a ebe ya. Ye de eda ba ko pe esi ho. A kire wo eniema wo ya. Ye nkire bi wo ba bia da. Car tie che. E kire se car koba ye yusu atwam no. Ade na ye kire wo se na esi ede ye nkonya, ede gu ye dem, ye office, ye restaurant, any ba bia. Ye be sanso mosquito spray we dey ayasam da efie bia ni wa ntuntum nie enu ntino ye kire tuntum adura wo be spray wo dem a entuntum bia ntimi nka wo we asase efie bia mu obi free ho ba no besua saade we esanse entuntum edi enya ye pa ye be sanso a kire car and motor tracking device installations ekwan ya be fo so a wo di machine bi e be hye wo car mu ana se wo motor mu na fei ba bia e wo bia no watimi attract tracking no se nipa kura obetimi de bi ahye no ho ba bi onam bia no obehu ba bi a onam ye be kire ointment for general body pain se obody no ehyehew anase se honam dodo a ade a ode be srasra so a ebe kokora ye be kire stretch marks removal cream yenua ma na stretch marks ayem ho bebre no me pa cho bra fa number na ede screen so no na friends esia na register 0244 294066 brane besua adura wodi be ye o stretch mask so a ebe kokora ede amao afei so yeguso a ye kire tomato paste ye na afei so tomato yogurt se de sidi entos eye tomato paste ene se ne sidi entos eye tomato yogurt afei so ye nuanom akuafo ye da so a efrem se mombra na mombesua se ne si ye weed side adura ye de himura nyina bra ne ye kire o kama pa sa ne ma we nyina na nyankopon ya adoma 27th March ya eye Saturday ebe ya ye be kire simple no wo no simple jumadie baso ewo Kumase ahojo Atenga Junction baby ya Kumawood TV wona anopa no nsia pepepe na fei registration no ye de nyina ahyehyes no nkro pepepe eye 9 am na anonso no ye de training na nkasa ahyehyes acha no 9 ne ye wie ni nyina na fei baby ya wo bia no wasan so akọ we nyina no uwia ye ma pen drive videos ni nyina ewo so enti wo fi ano anse ubo video na se ora fi bibia na wakai ye besan so ma handout no so ya twetwere bibia ewo mu ye be ma lunch ewie aduane a obedie eno so enyina achimbi afei so se wo fra chirichiri na wo ba baby a obeda ni nyina so ehembi ni nyina na obetua eye 300 Ghana cedis per training no eye 250 and pen drive enso eye 50 Ghana tua we ni enche o sa na ma we nyina fa number na ede screen so no na friends esia na register 0244 294066 eye Kumawood Training Institute wase eye nsano dwuma hemfie ebeye butu
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
to betu ya nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ne titiw e de ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono madam Katri tonic eboa e ma woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso a ye de aba adwaman so a ye de hwehwe ni padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic e wo Kumase asante mantembu adi ne ye wo madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
animdia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no manya ma asore ma akom
obi o wa me ne wo kasa stroke a cheno wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya djuma me ne da okay kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no iso nsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne wo kasa o se na ba no ono matramado wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono na kwadaye afede ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be kono say abaye mremre okay wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta da bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 pm ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena suko na o haw eda oso no mala mo hwe na onyi emfiri o emfa bia edam usika ena ayira na hwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin ama wo ba no odaso jonso anase bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kachi kwaw atibie tieniye kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 TB na intumi emwa piao
well all pia obusia say free mu why the den it be slower we na fa kokko we na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ayɛ den ma me nti we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye tigma na ma me why slower
ebusia yenko Kumasi
munko Kumasi
Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy, Minia, or Brapon to Yao. 7 and 9 and curtain and Yasha Dion. Your penny as mammy. 7 and a paddock. Oh, Marcy and Camera. Chini, we need problem cry. Who made this some free to buy better Ghana? And I'm in a confidential. What do you promise? And what bread in the capre or casket shop? I look massy labor hire. Me call Honoma. And was sending me yes, can't say you. You would have been Chawano. Missy Kaya, the man is a family. I saw a bit yes, me ambulance. No, Miss Amped, everybody done no and come. Ambulance. And the other down, only ambulance service into the problem.
Tahwid na Madam Katri Clinic di amao. Madam Katri Clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu ya nyina efri ho. Yene kofa bae de Madam Katri to eboa siesie ni peduano ni titiw de ma emma wonoma wo fichiko no Madam Katri tonica eboa ema wo aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama. Ye won fidie wa waso a ye de ba adwaman so a ye de hwehwe di pedue ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi. Katri Clinic ewo Kumasi Asante Mantembu adi ne yewo Madam Catherine Clinic yare nyina last time.
FD ya hwehwe say dwadi ka to yi mu agye atum se eye.
Animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a cheno wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto ya waso me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afa no kon no ye na ne tachere ma afa na ne timi emo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa